So as you can see by the title of this video, it's going down. Your boy's gonna be wide body your Hirsch. I know it's been a while since I uploaded, but it was worth it. It was worth the wait. It was worth the wait. I ordered the wide body kit last week, I think, and I honestly didn't think it was gonna come this fast. I ordered the wide body kit by pieces, so today I got the rear part, and tomorrow I get the fronts and then the sides. So today I'm gonna open up the rears, kind of mock it up, see how it looks, and then hopefully when I get the rest of the kit, I will mock it up and then start the process of the wide body. You heard? So if you remember this clip, they have no wide body kit for this car. I want to wide body this car. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I don't know how, I don't know when, but I'll do it. Yeah, forget what I said. We're going wide body, you heard? So if you haven't subscribed yet after this, bro, you better subscribe because it's just about to get wild, you heard? So make sure you subscribe, hit that like button already, and let's go open up this box because I haven't seen it yet. I've been waiting for you guys to come through, so let's go. So the kit I bought is from a company called EPR International. They're like from China. I got the car over here. Got the kit, well, just the rear part, and I'm gonna just mock it up with some masking tape. I'm gonna see how it looks, you know, and then when the rest of the kit comes in, I will start the whole thing and, you know, go wide body, bro. I gotta take off my side splitters for this. Okay, now since this is out, let's try this again. Yo, so far by the looks of it, the fitment is not bad at all. So for the wheels, I'm gonna end up redoing my lips and get them a lot bigger than what they are right now. It's gonna be crazy, bro. So there's another piece that goes on the door, and then a little piece right here. I'm gonna throw that on, mock it up, and see how it looks. Let me know what you guys think so far down in the comments below.
What the hell? Why is it so thick?
Thick, right? That's just
you
crazy.
Definitely need like bigger wheels.
And that's why I'm gonna redo the lips.
That should look shiny as hell.
Hi, this is gonna be stupid wide, bro. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Yo, this fitment.
Why does it look like that?
Because there's another piece that goes right there. That goes right on the side. Damn, bro, did this shit look crazy, bro? obviously with this setup it looks weak, but once I get the new lips and do all that stuff, it's gonna be dope, bro. So take a last good look of the stock body, because once I start cutting, bro, there's no going back. So once I get the rest of the kit, I think I'm gonna start the project, bro. I'm going full send. So this part looks like that because there's like a side skirt that comes right here, and then obviously the front. So once I get the rest of the kit, which should be, I know I'm gonna get the fronts tomorrow and the side probably Wednesday or whenever I get it. I'm gonna continue this vlog, and so I'll see you whenever I see you. What's up, guys? It's the next day, and surprisingly the rest of the kit came in today. It was faster than I expected, but whatever, it's here. So I'm gonna grab some temporary hardware for now, that way I could start it. I'm gonna end up getting some Downstar hardware, so once I order that I'll end up switching it. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Home Depot right now. I went and got some screws, some temporary hardware. I got a little cheap grinder. Hopefully it does the job. I already went and unboxed the rest of the kit for you guys. Check it out, check it out. So these are the fronts. And then since I ordered them separate, these came in black, but whatever, it's all gonna get painted. I'm actually gonna mock it up and then just screw it on, and then we'll get to cutting maybe tomorrow. So this is what the kit roughly looks like. It looks weird obviously because there's like 10 different colors. There's a bunch of tape, but I'm gonna start drilling. I'm gonna start screwing things on. Just hope for the best, bro. So I'm starting off first by drilling out the holes on the side skirt, and then on these, and then I'll kind of mock it up and drill out the holes on the car. You know what I mean. You'll see. So I got these two drilled out, and then one at the end. I'm gonna end up putting one in the middle. So now I'm gonna hold it up, put the screws on, make the holes on the car, and then back there too. It's about to go down. I'm drilling in my car. So check it out so far. I got the rear mounted. Fresh, smooth. Door opens, nice and smooth. So far so good. I'm gonna throw the piece that goes on the door right now, then that little piece right here, then I'll start with the front. So here's how it's looking. I need shorter screws for this part because right there's the door jamb, and down here too. But the fitment looks good. Everything looks good so far. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. So far, what you guys think? I'm about to start the front right now. I'm start drilling out the fronts. So this little piece that goes in the front bumper, I think I'm gonna have to customize it because I'm not sure if it's supposed to be with this bumper because it really doesn't line up. Like at all. So this is like the only piece that really doesn't line up. I don't know why. And I gotta do some modifications over here because there's a gap, so I think I'm gonna have to sand some of this shit down. So I'm now on the driver's side. I'm gonna see where I have to cut, and tomorrow in the next video I'll start cutting. Oh boy. And then I send it to paint, do what I gotta do, and then I gotta order new lips for my wheels because the setup is weak now. You feel me? So guys, I am officially wide body. So the easy part is done. Took forever. Not really forever, a couple hours, but tomorrow, the next video for you guys, I'm gonna start cutting the car up. So once I do that, that's it, no more going back. So yeah, here's how it looks so far. So the driver's side came out way better than the passenger side. Like over here in the front, like the gap over here is like perfect. And the other side I gotta sand it and make it sit better, but this side looks good. I think I'm gonna order some spacers to like get the measurements right for the wheels. So when I do order my new lips, make sure it sits right. What else? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Your boy's finally wide body. You heard?